Ever wondered what it feels like to see the world like a hawk, hundreds of feet in the air, while you're still standing on the ground? That's the power of a great drone. But here's the problem. The market is flooded. And choosing the right one? Yeah, it's not easy. So today we're breaking down 5 of the best drones you can buy right now. From ultra-portable flyers to full cinematic machines. Links are in the description below. Check them anytime. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5, the Potensic Atom. If you want performance without spending big, this is the smart pick. It shoots stabilized 4K, thanks to a 3-axis gimbal. And that means smooth, usable footage right out of the box. You also get smart features like Follow Me, waypoints, things you usually only see on more expensive drones. The app is clean, beginner-friendly, and flight performance? Surprisingly solid. It's lightweight, portable, and built for everyday use. If you're on a budget but still want a real drone experience, this one delivers. At number 4, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Small drone, big capabilities. Under 249 grams, which means fewer restrictions in many places. But here's the crazy part. It feels nothing like a beginner drone. You get omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Basically eyes in every direction, so flying feels way safer. The camera? 4K HDR at 60 frames per second. Sharp, vibrant, cinematic. Plus, true vertical shooting. Perfect for social content. If you want maximum power in a tiny package, this is hard to beat. At number 3, the DJI Avata 2. This one is different because you're not just flying, you're inside the drone. It's FPV. First-person view. Put on the goggles. And suddenly, you're flying through the air, diving, turning, racing through spaces. It's fast, immersive, addictive. And thanks to built-in prop guards, it can take hits and keep going. Plus, easy acro mode lets you do flips with a single button. If you want pure fun and adrenaline, this is it. At number 2, the DJI AR3. This is the balance king. Not too small, not too big. Just right. The big highlight? Dual cameras, wide angle, and telephoto. So you get more creative shots without moving the drone. Image quality is excellent, with crisp 4K video and great dynamic range. Flight time? Up to 46 minutes. That's huge. And the connection? Rock solid. If you want flexibility, power, and confidence in the air, this is one of the best options right now. And finally, at number 1, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This is the ultimate. A true flying cinema camera, triple camera system, including a Hasselblad sensor, and yes, the image quality is next level. Better colors, better dynamic range, more detail. You also get multiple focal lengths, so you can shoot wide landscapes, mid-range shots, tight zooms, all in one flight. It supports pro-level codecs, like Apple ProRes. So if you're serious about video, this is a game changer. Flight performance is smooth, stable, reliable, and safety features? Top tier. If you want zero compromise, this is the drone to get. So, which one should you choose? On a budget? Go Potensic Atom. Want compact power? Mini 4 Pro? Craving adrenaline? Avata 2. Need balance and versatility? Air 3, or want the absolute best? Mavic 3 Pro. Links are in the description below. Check them out anytime. And tell me in the comments, what would you shoot first from the sky? If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.